Another big heat to look forward to seeing. Remember, De Souza still has a mathematical shot of potentially achieving his second world title. He has to have a few things go his way with the guys ahead of him on the leaderboard, starting with John and Jordy. But he still has a fighting chance, so we'll expect De Souza as a consistent thing that he does as we watch Jack Freestone stalling nice and deep, trying to punch free, and he ends up going down. Taking a look now. Nice takeoff for Jeremy Flores. Super deep, great line to maybe make the exit. Flores got to the end section with a lot of momentum, but unfortunately gets clipped on the exit.
Ever since they brought in, here we go.
De Souza now using that priority. Looks like he'll get the completion. We'll see what happened on the takeoff in just a moment. Damian Hardman, and he couldn't believe the forecast as we look at Jeremy's attempt again.
Yeah, just that wave, maybe a lot of white water inside, and unfortunate for him, he goes down. But De Souza, well, he's won this event before, dropping some massive scores, and you're talking about the year he won, Joe. Absolutely perfect. I think it ran in three days straight, and here we go.
Remembering last year and bringing that good mojo into this year?
Yeah, for sure. It's kind of funny actually how it all worked out. It's a real similar position I was in last year, and I don't know. I'm not gonna think about it too much. You know, it's just gonna keep surfing and hopefully do my best and just enjoy these waves right now.
John, thanks for your time and well done on the win. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Rosie. John Florence on the Jeep leaderboard to head into his favorite wave in the world, the Bonsai Pipeline. Catching up with De Souza, punching free for the completion pots.
Yeah, well, there's two complete rides for Adriano De Souza. 2.67 on his first wave, and this one maybe a little bit better. Kind of a messy exit, and he had to fight tooth and nail to get out of that one, but so solid on his feet, this guy.
This wave at Super Tubos really is when it comes out of deep water, refracts and unloads on this crazy sandbar out front. Having a look on the back end, Jeremy Flores, the former pipe master, gets swallowed up on the inside corner, and he's down as he's still chasing the lead with Jack Freestone. The spotlight's on you, everybody's watching, and it's your turn to go. Jeremy thrives off that. Freestone had this quick wave and a surprising make during the break pots.
Yeah, absolutely. And then Jeremy trying to get himself into this heat. No big scores really to talk of at the moment. A 5.67 for De Souza.
Everyone really excited for the contest.
Yeah, absolutely. Him and Italo Ferreira. Here we go.
Dropping right into the pit. Jack Freestone gets the exit. Not worried about turns with that soft open face.
There it is. Jack comes out of that one a little cleaner than the one before. A little bit of a bigger wave as well. That's funny. I mean, this looked like a small inside wave, but look at it. It's still double overhead. Comes out right there. You can see him just eyeing out that little exit and comes out nice and clean.
We got Toledo in the matchup with Michelle Perez and Jadson Andre coming up next. Back to this one. Freestone's found a special part of the sandbar, gunning through a big section and almost pulling off, and he does. A miracle.
Wow.
Exit from Jack Freestone. Right when we thought he was underwater on the sandbar, he was still fighting his way through the exit, beating multiple sections and spending a lot of time inside the barrel pots.
Let's have a look. As he drives into the section, I thought he was going to sneak out, but then decided to keep going, and then finally somehow finds his way out. Great stuff there from Jack. Let's have a look. Looking into the barrel. As he drives, you can see him pumping, staying high, keeping that speed, keeping that board moving. Second section, now he's really deep. And it closed on him, and I thought, well, that's all she wrote, but...
Incredible exchange underway now with De Souza getting another make. So things are building with the score line. Jack Freestone with a lot of jiu-jitsu and really kept himself in the moment there as we see De Souza with another completion.
I love De Souza's low tube stance. Watch how low he gets, widens that stance, puts that 1 foot further forward. Now he drives through the section. Look how low he gets. Look at that stance. I mean, there's nothing's going to knock him off there, is it? Low center of gravity. 5.90.
And more waves on the way, digging in. Flores wants to get involved with this tube shootout. Over the foam ball, Flores almost pulling off another big exit to keep with the theme of this seat. That's absolutely building with numbers. Jack Freestone's second year on tour, representing the Gold Coast of Australia, turns in a 9-point ride.
Wave of the day. You know, I think Jack, we haven't seen the best of him yet. Let's have a look at this one again. Driving through that next section, and then it just kind of all folds in on itself. We kind of rode him off, didn't we? And comes flying out. Just loved that thing. 9-point ride on that occasion. I love this angle because you get to see the footwork, the rail work that he's doing. You can see him keeping that board high, driving through that section. His body's compressing. Now he sort of crouches right down, widens that stance, and fights his way out of that tube. And that was all feel right there. I mean,
From Flores.
yeah, Jeremy just can't find his way out of the barrels. Kind of came out of that one right-hander, the 2.40, but kind of...
Some of his heroes, and he said that tape's pretty consistent of the guys that get him really fired up to compete. Here's De Souza now. Huge takeoff. Looks for the barrel. It's not going to give it to him. And he's going to have to straighten out. He knows that was his opportunity to take the lead off Freestone.
Let's have a look here. Nice late drop there, goes over the ledge, and then looks for it, and it just shuts down. You look right there, he's like, come on, what are you doing to me? I need a score, I need a 7.91, that's not it.
Multiple barrel sections and somehow stayed on his feet. Freestone will take the big win, 14-9 total, as we're expecting the numbers to go even higher up later on in the round.